In this video, we're going to look at exponential equations that cannot be written with a like base. So for example, think of the simple exponential equation 6 to the x power equals 42. So there's no way that we could write 6 and 42 so that they have matching bases and then cancel them out. We have to do something different. So for these types of exponential equations, we use the fact that exponential and log are inverses of each other to help us to solve the equation. So we're going to rewrite these exponential equations in log form and then solve them. So let's first look at some examples. So for example A, we have 7 to the 2x power equals 56. We can't write 7 and 56 so that they are both the same base. So we're going to instead write it in log form. So log base 7 of 56 is equal to 2x, would be our log form of this exponential equation. And then we can just simply divide by 2. So sometimes you might see it ask you for an exact value of your equation, and that would be considered exact. And then sometimes it asks you to round your answer off, and we can type it in the calculator to round this off. So we could type this all in our calculator, and we would get the decimal 1.034 approximately. So that could be the approximate value, and then this one is considered the exact value for x. All right, so let's look at another example. We have e to the x plus 5 power equals 7. So e needs to have natural log, because that's the one that has a base of e. So natural log base e of 7 is equal to x plus 5. So to get our exact value, we just get x by itself. So we just need to subtract 5. So that's considered exact. If we want to round it and get a decimal for our answer, we could just type all of this in our calculator, and we would get negative 3.054. So there's two possible answers, exact and rounded. And then for part C, we first need to get the part that has our exponent by itself. So let's add 4 to both sides first. So we get 8 to the x plus 4 power is equal to 104. But then we can't write 8 and 104 so that they have the same base. So once again, we need to use log. So we put log base 8 of 104 equals x plus 4. So to get an exact value, we just have to get x by itself. So we subtract the 4. And then if we want to get a rounded off answer, we would type all that in the calculator, and that would be negative 1.767 approximately. So again, we have an exact and we have a rounded version of our answer. Both are okay, it just depends on what you are asked for. Okay, so that's it for now.